Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is gonna be a reactings video. I'm starting to like these kind of videos. So Yvan Buravan just released a new song called Oya and a video clip. I've already heard the audio of the song, and I loved it. I loved it. The melody, the beats, everything, the worlds, everything is just perfect. So I can't wait to see the video clip. I really hope it does match the audio, because if it doesn't, it will be a bummer. It will be so sad, so sad. So make sure you click subscribe, make sure you tag Yvan Buravan, make sure you like this video and leave a comment. Alright, so let's just dive in. I can't wait to do this. I hope it's a good one. I really do hope so. Don't disappoint me, please. Okay. It's a good start. The dancers, okay. It looks pretty original though. The fashion show, it looks original. I've never seen a random video starting like this with a fashion show kind of thing, so it's pretty original. The girl is beautiful, and the guy is pretty charming too. The dancers are doing a good job. So I guess yeah. The girl is pretty. The girl is very pretty. Video ni nziza. Bari kutwereka ukuntu abantu koko bagwa mu rukundo, urabibona buhoro buhoro. Kandi urabona bihuye n'amagambo. So the lyrics does go together with all the images right now, so it really does melt together. I'm liking it. Call me baby, call me later. I like it. And I like the fact again that he used two actors. I told Mehdi in his video of Slowly to do the same though. He didn't do it. I mean, it was too late, but this is what I was talking about. Look for two actors and bazagukorera ibintu. Ushaka abantu babiri bagukinira ibintu byawe, wowe ugende ku ruhande wishire mu byubahiro byawe uririmbe. Bibasuranye se. Iyi video ni nziza. Bari kutwereka mu gihe gito, batweretse urukundo rukura. Ntabwo byoroshye kutwereka ibintu nk'ibi. Urabona ukuntu bise bikura bise. It's pretty romantic, it's cozy, it's fresh, it's everything you need in a video. So iyi video ndayikunze cyane, ndayikunze. Bari gukina igihinde. You see the chemistry between the two people, and I love it. The melody, the beat, everything is going smooth. Yes, honey. I'm in love with this song. They are cute together. Sinzi mumbwire mwebwe uko muyitekerezaho, antuka njyewe ndabona nyikunze. Let me know in the comments what you think. Ibi bintu bikoze neza. Urabona ko biri simple, ariko nanone urabona ko birimo akarungo. Birimo akarungo kabisa. Biri simple, but biri also urabona ko bihenze. Urabona ko iyi video isa nk'ihenze, ariko iri simple, you know. I loved it. Nayikunze nanone kambisubiremo kwa kundi umuhanzi bajya ku ruhande akareka abantu bakabikina, abo bantu babikina neza rimwe na rimwe kurusha umuhanzi. Simvuze ngo banzi bose ntibaze bajya bakina, ibi nabyo ntacyo bitwaye, nicyo nshaka kuvuga. Meddy nawe iyo ashaka yari gukora gutya kuri ya video ya Slowly. Charly na Nina nabo baherutse kubikora kuri iriya ndirimbo yabo Try Me. So urabona ushaka abantu babigukinira maze twebwe tureba video tugagwa mu rukundo no kureba abo bantu bakina urwo rukundo. So I mean, I'm loving it. I mean, Rwandan video clips are really doing great. I like it. I can't wait to keep, you know, commenting on every new video. Video yose nshyashya izagira zanjye nzajya mpita nyifatirana nyivugeho. So Buravan, if you are watching this right now, you did a good work with this video, with the song, the beat, everything is so smooth, the words, everything is just melting together. Ndabikunze ndasiga link iyi ndirimbo muri description box hano hasi, kandi ndahasiga nanone andi ma video clips nagiye ndeba nkagira icyo nyavugaho. Mumbwire uko mubitekerezaho, kandi ntimwibagirwe gukanda subscribe, kandi munkurikire ku yandi social media kuri Instagram, Facebook page no kuri Snapchat. Naho utaha, bye.